Hi there, this is Vashek, and in today's video, I will give you a quick review / tutorial on BuyForMeRetail website that I've been working with on one of those. I don't work for them, but I'm using their services to make extra money online. So in today's video, I will show you how everything works, and then I'll show you what I've done within the first month of working with them. BuyForMeRetail.com company. It's a service that allows you to make money off of the rewards that your credit card gives you. I know it sounds complicated, but stick with me. What they do essentially is they will tell you which products they want you to buy, because those products are usually on sale, so it's beneficial for them, and they will ask you to buy that product for them. You will buy it, you will send it straight to their warehouse. As soon as they receive it, they will send you ACH transfer back to your bank account. So technically you can start this with no money down because you use your credit card. So before your credit card period runs out, you will have money back in your bank account that you can use to pay that purchase off. A little bit about the company. Company started roughly 4 years ago, and since then they paid out $2 billion in payouts, which means they paid out $2 billion for products that they ask you to buy. Okay, so if I take you to deals, so those are all the products that they want you to buy for them, and then there is a specific price that they pay you for them. So let's go to what's currently in stock, and let's use Amazon because that's the one I'm using mostly. So Amazon credit card gives you 5% back on any purchase. If you delay shipping, it gives you 6% back. Sometimes you have special rewards where it gives you 7% back and so on, but mostly 5 or 6 based on my experience. So let's work with Apple Pencil, the first one over here. So for any, up here you can see you get 7% cash back if you delay shipping with your Amazon Prime card. The payout price is $96.50 and retail price is $99, which is 2.53% less than what you end up paying. But this doesn't sound like a good deal, but because your card gives you 5% back if you delay shipping, 7% back, then you're making 7% minus 2.53, which comes down to 4.47. Most products that you can purchase is 3. So let's do the math. Let's do calculator. So let's say you purchase, this was one of my deals. Let's say you purchase $99 and we go times 3 because that's how much you can buy, right? So you spend $297. You get 7 or 6% back. 6% is more likely with delayed shipping. Sometimes you get 7, but it's on specific products. So let's make it 6 just to be on the safer side. 6% minus 2.5 is 347. So if I go times 0.0347 equals, I'll make $10 on this deal. So far, I love this company. I know $10 maybe doesn't sound great, but if you make bigger purchases, the numbers just wrap up. So when you're buying 3 MacBooks, you roughly make between $50 to $70 per purchase. There is little things here and there, and you will have to try it out and figure out how everything works. I'll probably do more videos about it, but I don't want to burden you with that. The most products you can buy from Amazon is 3 per unit or 3 per specific item. Let's say you're buying MacBooks, but you have a MacBook and MacBook is in 4 different colors. So you can buy 3 MacBooks per 1 color. So you can buy 12 MacBooks over there. And then let's say over here, you're getting 4% less than was the original price, but because you get 6% back, you're making 2% on the transaction. This deal has been here for a while. That's why you can't purchase all the colors now, because they already filled the quantity for the Starlight color. You can still purchase all of these 3, and I did that. If you do the math, 1,049 times, so we buy 3 per color, there's 4 of them. So we go times 12, you will spend $12,000, and because you're getting 4% less, but you're getting 6% on your credit card, so you're making 2%. That's your profit over there. Times 0.02, that's how much 2% are. You're making $250 once you purchase all of these. So with 4 purchases, you're making $250. then you just gotta wait for those items to ship to their warehouse, and then you get paid, which I feel like is amazing. Like, I mean, I'm doing this every morning with my coffee, and it's been blast for last month. So let me show you what I've done in the last month. So over here, that's your tracker. That tracks all the purchases that you've ever made. You gotta input the numbers, but then it tracks it for you. And I will do probably next video where I show you like how exactly I buy things and how I do it. But once I purchase, let's say this watch, I purchased it, you put the order number in. Once Amazon ships it, you put tracking number in, and then it will show you how much is the payout per unit, how much is the payout per 3 units that you bought, and then how many units they received, how much they paid you out, and when everything was processed. Over here, notebook, so you can put notes for specific items. So I use this if I need to do returns or something, but that's a different video. So far, I have spent, I think it's $70,000. Okay, so I made 111. It's a little bit over a month. $111,000 in orders, but because I started doing a lot of orders, that's not how much money I usually spend. My credit card got declined, and then for some reason I couldn't find my actual credit card. I had to request a new one, then it took too long, so they canceled some of my orders. I tried to buy $112,000 worth of items, but only $70,000 went through. So far in my lifetime, I got paid out $30,000. If I go here, so that's the paid out $30,000. Pending items are the items that I purchased and they are already shipped. So that there is $24,800 worth of items. Over here, it shows you which ones were delivered already and which ones being shipped. Today is Monday, so I'm assuming tomorrow is when I'm getting paid for these. And then action needed are the items that I've purchased, but they haven't shipped yet. So I gotta enter the tracking numbers for them. So that's 14,000. So 14 plus 30 plus 25, I think it's roughly 70,000. Over here, you can go to your paid out. Last time I got paid, so today is the 21st. Over the weekend, they don't do it. So usually Tuesday, I think, will be the first day when you get paid, but it varies. Sometimes it's Monday. So I get paid on 18th, 16th, 15th, 14th, 11th, 9th, 8th, 3rd, 2nd. It always shows you what you got paid for and what was the total. And then up here, you got the whole total of everything. So far I got paid for 154 products that I shipped over. And this number is the same as this number. I know I ran through this video, but I didn't want to burden you with everything over there. But so far, I love the company. I'll keep doing this and I'll keep shooting the videos and kind of give you heads ups like what's happening, where I had some issues, what interesting tips I got for this. But so far, I love it. I think next update is gonna be, I just got my Target credit card. So I wanna do Amazon and Target. And then maybe I'll do Best Buy. I don't know, we'll see. Oh yeah, I didn't show you, haha. Over here, I'm just like keeping track of like how much money I'm making on it. So June, I only a few orders. So over there, I made $300. In July, so far, it's 20th. I'm making $1,800 on the 70,000. All of these are the items that have been canceled. Those were really good and big orders. I'll be probably making close to 3,000 this month if these ones went through, but we'll never know. Okay. I think I'll cut it here. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, just shoot me comment beneath the video. If you liked it, subscribe, always great. And then and I'll give you a link beneath the video to sign up for this if you want to try it out on your own. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon.